Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought we would do some cleaning, decluttering, organizing. I usually do this kind of on my own, but I thought I would try filming it this time. I feel like most of the time I don't film it because it's so time consuming to like move the camera around, get a good angle, and constantly be watching to make sure you're in frame. But I know this is something that you guys might like to see. So what we're gonna do is basically I'm going to reorganize all my hygiene and body care shelving and kind of redo things and declutter some things. So you'll see lots of my perfumes, Bath and Body Works, how I decorate, and a little glimpse inside my beauty room. So if that interests you, then just keep on watching, but we definitely need to do some organization here. Okay, so we're gonna start the organizing over here in my little fragrance shelving, and I have some new ways I want to organize stuff. Right now they're just kind of all over the place. I might declutter a couple scents as well, but I have this little tray here that I want to go ahead and put my like current scents that I'm going to be using so that I am more inclined to use them and kind of switch out that tray, kind of like a project use it up type of thing. But yeah, we'll see. But I think I'm just going to start by dumping all of the mist into this little bag here and then just kind of set them out by season. Okay, so I got this all organized. I actually kind of organized it a little differently than I thought I was going to because I thought I had more scents than I really do out. Once I moved some of the stuff, it made a lot more room. So I just put some of my most favorite fall gourmands up front. I reach for these a lot. And then a couple more fall ones behind there. And then in the very back, I placed some of my summer scents just so I'm not really reaching for them. And those are the ones you can't really see very well. So since I'm kind of done with the summer scents now, I put them in the very back. And then I put some more kind of fall-like scents. These are nice everyday ones though, like I feel like you can wear them anytime. And then I did the same thing, kind of going back towards the very summer in the back. And then this section here has just some of my extras, like I have Victoria's Secret here, all my Sol de Janeiro, and then I put my Bath and Body Works perfumes there. I did have a few declutters. Let me go ahead and share what I'm decluttering. The Cozy Evening Scent, I actually was comparing this with Cozy Sunday Morning down here, and this one seems just so light. It has a little bit of a lavender scent, but I think I'm just going to go ahead and declare this one, and we're keeping the Cozy Sunday Morning instead because they are quite similar. I decided I'm going to go ahead and let Fresh Getaway go. I've been really trying to like this one because I feel like it's so popular in the Bath and Body Works community, but it's a very fresh citrus, and I don't really go for the citrusy scent, so I have to be true to my liking, and I'm just not getting any use out of it, so we're gonna say goodbye to that. I also will be decluttering the Mint Chocolate Swirl. Unfortunately, I just didn't love this one on my skin. I didn't feel like it was super strong. I had high hopes and it was a little bit of a letdown, so decluttering that one. Also letting go of Cashmere Glow. I know this is such a favorite, but I feel like it's had its time in Bath and Body Works history, and I'm ready to let it go. It's just not one that I reach for. I feel like I always want this one to be just a little bit sweeter than it really is. It has a lot of amber in it, but I'm gonna let that one go. As well as the Pear Creme Brulee. This is just not something I'm in love with. It's okay, but it has a weird off-putting smell that I just don't gravitate towards it. So anything I'm just not really loving and using, I don't really keep around. I'm also decluttering my full-size Sunrise Woods. I like this scent, but it's really similar to Golden Ocean Pearl and Sweet Whiskey. So I don't think I need a full size. I picked up a new mini in this, so I'm just gonna keep a mini around and give this to a new home of someone who will love and enjoy it. Also purchased the Confetti Daydream during my annual sale, one that's super popular. I've been trying to like it, but it's just not for me. So I will be decluttering this one as well. This is a very fruity floral kind of scent, but it's just not something I really am in love with. And I also decided to declutter the Cupcake Swirl from Body Fantasies. I love their vanilla scent, and I really wish I liked this one just as much. It has more of a spicy note to it that I'm not a huge fan of. And then I'm trying to keep my Victoria's Secret scents to a minimum, so I'm also going to declutter this Golden Pear one. It's nice. It reminds me a little bit of Toasted Praline and Pear from Bath & Body, but I'm more of a Bath & Body girl, and I just just don't see myself using this one a lot. So those are the declutters. I feel like for my perfume, I don't think I'm going to be decluttering any out of here. I've kind of kept this as like just some of my favorites, but I might just kind of rearrange things just a bit so that they fit a little better. So the perfumes, I just kind of switched spots around, so I did not declutter any perfumes because I love my collection right now. But I know, I wish they kind of only took up 3 rows. They still take up 4, but I didn't want to overcrowd anything. And then I actually changed over here. I forgot I had these Frenchie mists to add in, so then I just moved those Bath & Body Works perfumes into this little section as well. I then have these random boxes over here. I always keep sometimes like designer boxes to decorate with. I feel like I don't really need it so much. And then I have some ColourPop cute stuff that I just kept that I really liked. I like the Lizzie McGuire thing, so I can kind of organize with this. I put this popcorn bucket up here too. I don't know if I want to keep it there from Disney. I feel like it looks weird in here, but I don't know. I might move this somewhere else. I'm just not sure quite where I want it yet. Okay, so I decided to leave the bottom 2 empty, and I just kind of added some random decor pieces throughout. So here is how it looks right now. I actually put my little Halloween mists up here too. I used to have some of my bags displayed here, but I think I'm going to move them upstairs because I do kind of switch them out a lot. So I just added the Chanel and the Louis Vuitton boxes on the very top, and I added some of my lip glosses over there too, just for decoration. Alright guys, so now we're moving over to this little area, and right now I do have a bunch of my body creams stored here. I feel like I would just like one little square for body creams, but I do use the creams a lot paired with my sprays, but I feel like I kind of just want to keep some of my everyday kind of favorite scents instead of keeping everything, because a lot of stuff I'm just not going through fast enough, and most of the time I can use a base lotion and then put on any other spray I want over top of it. So let's see what we can do here. I think Into the Night I for sure can go ahead and declutter. I've had this and I've barely used this one. Usually when I'm wearing the fragrance mist, it's going to be in the evening, so I already have my lotion on for the day, so we can let that go. As well as Gingham Heart of Gold, we can let that one go. I'm going to keep for sure Pastel Skies Sunset Glow. We already decluttered Cashmere Glow Spray, so I'm going to declutter the body cream. I'm going to keep Warm Vanilla Sugar. This goes with so many things. I'm going to declutter Saltwater Breeze. I love the mist, but I'm never really wearing this lotion very much, so declutter. Open Sky is kind of on my maybe list, but I'm going to keep it for now. Also my Midsummer Dream I'm going to keep. Also keeping Berry Waffle Cone. I'm almost done with that one. And the Vanilla Mocha Cream. I can declutter this Pacifica Coconut Nectar. I have the vanilla one from them, which I prefer. Definitely keeping Fresh Cream, as well as the Hope Winter Peach Marshmallow. I actually use Pure Wonder a lot too, so I'm going to keep. And then declutter the Cozy Evening. We also decluttered the spray. I'm going to go ahead and keep Marshmallow Pumpkin and Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. Also Christmas Cookies and Pink Velvet Cupcake. I do not know what happened to my white t-shirt lotion, but it is like exploded. I was debating if I want to keep this one. It's mostly one I wear in the spray most of the time, so I feel like I can maybe declutter. I'm also going to declutter 1,000 Wishes and also Almond Blossom. Don't really use those. Alright, now we have this section. I'm going to keep my Fresh Coconut and Cotton. My Summer Melody I'm almost done with. I'll also keep the Pink Watermelon Blast. Have to keep Belize. Whipped Rose Latte. Keep. I'll go ahead and declutter the Coastal Hydrangeas. I barely put a dent in this one at all. I mostly just used the spray. The Copper Coconut's kind of a nice summer one, so I'm going to keep that. Ivory Cashmere is a nice one that I could pair with a lot of different scents, so I think I'm going to keep it. Peach Prosecco Macaroon will keep. Fireside Flurries is staying, of course. I can declutter the Candied Violet Sorbet. I love the mist, but I don't really use the cream. Keeping Firecracker Pop. Also Sweet Whiskey. Snowflakes and Cashmere can stay. I will declutter Pear Creme Brulee. We also got rid of the mist. It's just not a fave. Keeping Pumpkin Cupcake. I actually think I'm going to declutter the Fairy Tale cream because I don't really use it in the cream ever. I prefer the mist. I'll keep the Blueberry Sugar Pancakes and the Coconut Candy Apple. And I'll hold on to the Love Cotton Candy as well. Okay, so I got everything to fit there, and I moved out some summer scents that I'm just going to store until I guess next year. Also wanted to show you up here is where I put my mist that I wanted to use, and then these creams I didn't go over, but these are staying in my collection, but these are ones that I need to use up first because they're the oldest in my collection, so I just put them all in this little storage circle. Okay, next I have this hygiene cart here of stuff, which is just a total mess, needs to be organized, maybe declutter some stuff. So let's see what we can do here. This Love Beauty and Planet, it's a Kurkuma butter and vanilla lotion. It's okay. I think it's a little thin and the scent isn't super strong, so I think I can go ahead and declutter that. I also bought this limited edition Cocoa Christmas Pink Lotion on Mercari a few months ago, and I think I'm going to go ahead and declutter this as well. Again, the scent is just super light on this, so I'm just going to let that one go for now. I don't really use it a lot. My Bath & Body Works Orange Vanilla Twist, we will keep that. I do have a backup of Blueberry Sugar Pancakes, which I can move to my backup cart. This EOS lotion, you guys always tell me about this, but I've had it for a long time. This is one of my favorite vanillas. It's so good. It smells like how Vanilla Bean Noel should smell. You guys know they've been kind of messing it up at Bath & Body Works, but this is amazing, so we'll keep it. I'm also keeping my CeraVe ointment. I like to use this on like super dry spots. This is a nice just base lotion, the Nivea Nourishing Cocoa, so I'm going to keep. I have this First Aid Beauty Sculpting Body Lotion. I don't really think it really firms or tones anything, so I'm going to declutter that. I also have the Drunk Elephant Silly Lotion, which I will keep. I love the smell of their stuff. It's like a light almond. It is so pretty, so I'm going to keep that. Also keeping the Hemp's Sugared Banana, and this Shea Soft and Smooth smells like vanilla cupcakes, so I'm going to keep that one. I will declutter this smoothing body lotion from First Aid Beauty. It smells so weird. I don't know what the deal is. I don't think it's supposed to have a scent, but I'm going to let that go. And I'm going to go ahead and declutter this pink cocoa lotion because I prefer the cocoa vanilla, so I'm keeping the cocoa vanilla, decluttering this one. I really like this Dove Body Love one, so we'll keep that. And then I have the Vanilla Bean Body Oil, which I'll hold on to. This Island Vanilla from Pacifica I'll keep. And then I think this is my backup coconut cream pie. Not sure why it's there. It needs to go in my other drawer. I can go ahead and declutter this Frank body. It's called But First Coffee. It's okay. It does have a little bit of a coffee scent. I've used quite a bit of it up, but I don't know. It's just not a favorite, so I'm going to declutter that one. We'll keep my L'Occitane and my Patrick Ta body oils. And I'm going to keep my Laura Mercier. I love this one. And then also my next one we'll keep. I can go ahead and declare this strawberry one from Beloved. It's a body cream. I just don't use it. When I want strawberry, I'm usually going to go for strawberry pound cake, so declutter. I love this Watch Me Whip from what's it called, TPH. Such a good one. Keep. And I have this First Aid Beauty vanilla cookie. This one is such a small little tube. I feel like it's like a hand cream or something. I can probably declutter that. Okay, into this part here. Alright, this is a mess. I know I can declutter some of these lotions. Pink Pineapple Sunrise, declutter. I don't use the lotions from Bath & Body Works. Also Cherry Limeade and Cozy Sunday Morning. I am going to hold on to Plumeria because I don't have a mist in this. This is the oldie but goodie, so I'm going to hold on to that. As well as Raspberry Jam Donut because I love that scent. Confetti Cake Pop I'll hold on to. Whipped Rose Latte, yes. Coconut Cream Pie, keep. And another Raspberry Jam Donut. I'm going to declutter the Vanilla Mocha Cream as well. Okay, I'm going to definitely keep my Delina body cream. This is my most expensive lotion. It's insane though because like if you don't want to spend the money on the perfume, this is just as strong as the perfume. And it seems like you're wearing perfume. It's literally one of the strongest body butters. so good. I might actually put this one on display somewhere because it's gorgeous. I am definitely keeping my Kopari, one of my favorite body butters. The Soap & Glory Perfect Zen I can declutter. It's a super strong lavender, which I don't care for. I do like this Bath & Body Works avocado one, so I'm gonna keep that. And I'm keeping Twisted Peppermint for the holidays. And Bonfire Bash, yes, love that. Vanilla Bean Noel, keep. Poppy is newer to me, so keep. I am gonna declutter this Dove Whip Body Cream. It's okay. The scent is not great. It smells super soapy, so I'm gonna declutter. We will definitely keep my Trader Joe's Brazil Nut Butter. It's a dupe for Sol de Janeiro. Cinnamon Donut Swirl. I'm not like loving it, honestly. I think I can go ahead and declutter this one. I have the shower gel, and I'm probably gonna finish that up soon, but it's just okay to me. I don't think it's great. Laura Mercier, again, I'm gonna keep that, as well as my Body Shop Almond Milk, keep. And then I mentioned earlier the Fresh Getaway, I don't care for, so declutter. I'm also gonna keep my Way Body Cream. And then this is just a body butter I got from Cocoa Pink. It's a Snow Cake from Lush, like, scent dupe, so I'm gonna keep that. I do have a bunch of little minis here, which I really don't need this much, but these are nice for traveling. I'll keep a Pumpkin Cupcake, Fairy Tale, yes. Sweet Whiskey, yes. I think I'm keeping most of these, honestly. I can declutter this Happy Halloween one. I have a new updated version. I can declutter 1,000 Wishes as well. And one of these Marshmallow Pumpkin Lattes, I don't need two, so I'm just gonna keep one. Okay, so this area is for the most part done. Sorry, I didn't like film me putting everything away. I was just trying to figure out what was going on with it. So yeah, up here I just have some of my PR boxes I've kept. I did go ahead and put my Elliott popcorn bucket up there. I still have my 2 use up lotions here, my Too Faced roller skates that they gave me, my jewelry I put over here instead, and then I'm gonna put just little mini perfumes in here. I have some lipsticks in this acrylic organizer, and then we got all my body creams I fit in that area. These are my current using Miss. Cash has been checking stuff out. I moved my body butters and some lotions down here just because, I don't know, I was tired of storing them on my cart, so I had these open spaces, so for now they're gonna be here, but if I have something else I want to put here instead, I might just move them, we'll see. And then these aren't like super nice looking. I wish I had like a box for these, but I went ahead and put some of my favorite body creams over here and body oils. And then of course on the bottom is just candle storage. I think that's pretty much it for like my mostly hygiene stuff. I might do a separate video for like bathroom things and show you guys that process. We'll see. And then I just moved all my backups here. I just only keep all-time favorite scents, so these are the backups I have right now. I did declutter a few of those, so that's everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you guys do want to see kind of organizing in my bathroom with that hygiene and body care stuff too, because it's definitely overflowing. Might need to do some decluttering there as well. I just have been feeling very overwhelmed with my collection lately. You guys know I love to try out all the new stuff and review them for you guys, but then my collection just gets way too overwhelming for me and it causes some like stress. So I like to go through it every so often and just declutter some stuff in that area. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.